guys, I want to talk to you about my giveaway today. So if you want a chance to win some free gloss, keep watching this video. So to enter, well, let me just tell you about the giveaway first. I'm trying to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram. I think I'm like at 740 something right now. I'm not really sure, it's 7 something though. So as soon as I hit the 1,000 mark is when the winners will be announced for this giveaway. I will put all the names in a jar, shake it up, and pick it on camera. There will be 3 winners. So first place winner gets 10 free glosses. 10 free glosses of their choice on my website, whatever tubes they want, 10 free glosses. Second place winner gets 5 free glosses. Third place winner gets 2 glosses. 2 glosses. I'm thinking about adding a custom shirt with each person that wins. I'm not really sure yet. I will let you guys know. I'll keep you updated on what I decide. So to enter, like I said, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but it's Lola's_Jam. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And on Instagram, you have to like some pictures. You can comment if you want to. And on YouTube, you just have to subscribe, turn on the bell, and then comment down below on this video. Sorry, I was looking outside. Comment down below on this video when you're done, and then you're entered. Easy, simple. So this giveaway will close as soon as I reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, because I've been stuck at 740 something for like, I don't even know, for like 2 months now. So yeah, when I get to 1,000, I will do this giveaway on camera. And every 1,000 followers, the amount, every 1,000, I was confused myself. So every 1,000 subscribers, I will do a better giveaway each time. So I hope you guys enter, have fun. We're gonna be choosing 3 winners at 1,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching, and good luck. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys read the title. Now let's get straight into the video. So today we're talking about lip gloss boxes. These are old, that's why they look like that. These been put in bags and stuff. But I just want to show you guys how to make them. If you are on a budget, you can go to Dollar Tree and get the photo paper for $1. But be careful after you print it, let it air dry for a minute, for a while actually, so nothing smears or whatever. But so this is what they look like at first when you first print them. And then this is what they look like once you put them together. So to make these, you need to go on Google and find a lip gloss template. So after you find a lip gloss template, you can design it whatever photo app you want to use. I use PixArt. So after I do that, I design it, save it, and then I go to avery.com and go to the templates, find template, and then type in 5126, which I believe is a shipping label template, but it really doesn't matter. You turn the picture sideways. Turn it sideways and stretch it out like this. Turn it sideways and stretch it out like that. Then you print preview. I'm so sorry about how this looks. And then you print it, and then you get this. And I'm about to cut it and show you guys the finished look. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. It says the type of lip glosses, which is Candy Cane, which will be my peppermint gloss for the winter time. This is what it looks like. This is the back. It says handmade, all natural, vegan friendly, cruelty free. It has my Instagram and my website. It has the shelf life after you open it, which is 12 months. And I got that off of Google too, and I just put it on the template. And yeah, it's simple. Like I said, this is the Dollar Tree paper, photo paper, if you are on a budget. For a heavier paper, you can use construction paper, or you can use cardstock, which is a lot heavier. It's all up to you. You can get cardstock construction paper from Walmart, Target, Joanna Fabrics, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, any of those type of stores. And it's not a lot. They're like, you can get like a pack for like $5 or $6. But yes, it's the finished look. And the lip gloss actually stays in there, so you don't have to worry about it. And to keep it closed with a little extra flap that's on there that you're supposed to fold, like I gotta re-glue this one. I just use super glue. You can use hot glue, super glue. If you have double-sided tape, you can use double-sided tape. It's all up to you, whatever you want to use, your preference. But yeah, they don't fall apart or anything. Yeah, and it's just give your business a better, more professional look. What lip gloss box is. And these are my old ones. These are old. These are like put up and smashed and all type of stuff. But yeah, these are my old ones. The first ones I ever made. So yeah, but what you want to do is after you print them, you need to make sure that you let them sit so they can dry, so it doesn't smear. You don't want the stuff to smear. You don't want your picture to smear, your words or anything. So you have to let it sit. You have to let it sit, or you can take the paper and fan it around so it can dry faster. But you want it to dry so it doesn't smear. But thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.